To my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, click subscribe button and bell icon so that you can get the notification immediately when I am updating any new video related to NEBOSH or safety. You will get immediate notification. And this is the part 4 of element 1, and if you want to learn the previous 3 parts in NEBOSH element 1, you can search my previous video. Okay. And in this video, we are going to learn about the pending 8 more questions in element 1. The first question is, what are the role of national government organization in promoting safety? How a government organization can promote health and safety within their region? How they can promote? So first one, if they are member of ILO, they can adopt ILO's regulations such as convention and recommendation. Convention mean ILO's rules or procedures. And recommendation mean how to comply the procedures. How will you comply the conventions? Okay. So how we are going to implement safety. So if the government organization is a member of ILO, then they can adapt their convention and implement it as their own health and safety law, so they can promote safety. Second one, they can conduct regular awareness programs like campaigns, just like our government doing. For example, if they want you to wear a helmet, they are posting some posters, they are conducting awareness campaigns, that they can do. Second one, they have to establish active leadership and commitment. They should lead as an example, they should show good commitment towards safety, so thus they can promote safety. And finally, they can appoint an enforcement agencies. What is enforcement agencies? Just like our police department. What they will do? They will visit your workplace, and if you are not following the safety, a particular company is not following the safety standard, then they will take enforcement action. The enforcement action they will take step by step. First, they will give improvement notice. They will give some notifications. Okay, in this area you need to improve within this time period. They will give some time, because immediately they will not take any action. First they will give some time, and second one, if still you are not improving, then they will prohibit certain activities. They will issue the prohibition notice. And next, they can take prosecution action against the organization through the civil court or criminal court. So successful action can lead to fine or penalty. Your organization will face fine, penalties, etc. And prosecution of individuals like manager, senior manager or senior director. And this successful action can lead even imprisonment. They can brought to jail, or they will be punished through civil or criminal court. So these are the possible enforcement action that can taken by the enforcement agencies. So how government can promote? First, they will implement law. Second, awareness program. Third one, leadership. Fourth one, enforcement action. And next one, they will take enforcement actions like first one, improvement notice. Second one, prosecution of organization, and they will issue fine, penalties, etc. And finally, prosecution of individuals. A successful action can lead to even imprisonment of individuals. So these are the important section in first element, and it's very, very important question. And in this question, there is 2 mark. This is a 2 mark. The question is, what are the enforcement action? What are the possible enforcement action? So this is a 2 mark. Okay, so this one also you learn. Okay, this is a 2 mark. What are the possible enforcement action that can be taken against an organization if they are not following health and safety standard? Then you need to write these 3 actions: improvement notice, prosecution of organization, prosecution of individuals. Okay, so this is a very, very important 8 mark question. Okay. ஸோ இப்போ தமிழில் சின்ன எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன். எப்படின்னா, ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து எப்படி அவங்க சேஃப்டியை ப்ரமோட் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்டுறாங்க. எப்படி ப்ரமோட் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, முதல்ல சட்டம் போடணும் இல்லையா? ஒரு விஷயத்தை நம்ம ப்ரமோட் பண்ணணும்னா அது ஒரு சட்டமாக உருவாக்குனா தான் எல்லாரும் அதுக்கு பயந்து மதிக்க ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க. ஸோ முதல்ல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? சட்டம் போடணும். ஸோ இப்போ இந்த கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து ஐஎல்ஓட மெம்பராக இருந்தாங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், அவங்க ஐஎல்ஓவில் உள்ள அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்க அந்த ரெகுலேஷன் சேஃப்டி விதமாக அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்க விஷயங்கள் எல்லாம் நம்மளோட லாவை அவங்க எடுத்து போட்டுக்கலாம். இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ஒன்ஸ் லா போட்டதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும், அவங்க நிறைய அவேர்னஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் கொடுக்கணும். சேஃப்டியை உங்களை ஃபாலோ பண்ண வைக்கிறதுக்கு நிறைய அவேர்னஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் கொடுக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், நல்ல ஈடுபாடு காட்டணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு போலீஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் மாதிரி ஒரு என்ஃபோர்ஸ்மெண்ட் ஏஜென்சி அப்பாயிண்ட் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஏஜென்சி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா உங்களை சைட்டை இன்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, உங்கள் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் அந்த ஊரில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆர்கனைசேஷனை இன்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அங்கே ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை இருக்குதுன்னா முதல்ல வாய்ப்பு கொடுப்பாங்க இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ரெண்டாவது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷனை மொத்தமாக கைது பண்ணுறது இல்லை அவங்க மேலே ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்குது. மூணாவது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஒரு தனி நபரை ஆக்ஷன் எடுப்பாங்க. ஓகே. Next question, this is a 4-mark question. Okay, what are the roles and responsibilities of employee or worker? What a worker has to do? The first one, they have to take care of their own safety. First, they have to ensure they are safe, they are working in a safe environment and they are free from any physical injury or health issues. And second one, they have to take care of their co-workers, those who are working together with them. They have to take care of their co-workers. And next one, any unsafe situation, if they experience any unsafe condition or situation, they have to report immediately to their supervisor. And if there is any incident or accident, they have to report to their supervisor. If there is any training programs or meetings, they have to participate, because usually what these workers will do, they will hide, they will not participate. Example, they will not participate if there is any toolbox talk or something, they will just hide somewhere. Okay, so they should participate in safety related trainings and meeting, and they have to follow the employer's policy and procedures. Whatever rules and regulations implemented by the employer, they have to follow it. They should not violate it. The next one is they should comply the PP procedure, means where they have to wear the PP, they should wear. They should not violate it. Okay.
3.
Okay. The next 8-mark question is, what are the duties of director or senior manager? So before answering this question, just remember this keyword, okay? PLCCR. So this keyword will be easy for you to learn. So these are the keywords, PLCCRL. So P for policy. A director should make sure right policy is in place. And the second one, leadership. He should establish active leadership and commitment in implementing health and safety standards. He needs to establish a good commitment and leadership. And next one, he needs to establish a good communication with the top management and low level management. Then he need to consult and coordinate with the workers. What is their issues? What are the issues? How we can rectify the issues? So consultation and coordination. And next one, he should make arrangements for carrying out health and safety audit. He will not do audit, but he will make the arrangements. Next one, he should review the performance periodically. So the performance of health and safety management system, so that if there is any issue or if there is any issue with the management system, he can take the necessary action to rectify the issues. The next one, he should identify the need for training. If he feels these workers needs to be trained, then he can arrange for training and make sure all the workers are competent to do the task. And next one, legislation. L for legislation, actually R for review, A for audit, and T for training, and L for legal standards or legislation. He should be updated with legislation. If there is any change or updation in the legislation, he should update himself and make sure all the legal standards are met in the workplace to avoid the legal action. So you remember this keyword so that you can frame the answer easily. Okay, thank you and thanks for watching the video. Okay, in next class we will see the balance 8-mark question in element 1. Thank you.